Hello everyone, welcome back to Mathematical Mindset. So right here we have this nice exponent math simplification problem, and the question says x plus 2 all raised to the power of 4 is equal to 16, and we are to find the values of x. So the first thing guys you want to do right here is to simply rearrange this equation and set the equation to 0. So we have this to be x plus 2 all raised to the power of 4 minus 16, and this is equals to 0. But we can easily express the power of 4 to be 2 multiply 2, and 16 can be expressed as 4 times 4, which is equals to 4 raised to the power of 2. So hence we have this to be x plus 2 all raised to the power of 2 multiply 2 minus 4 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 0. So we have this to be x plus 2 all square all raised to the power of 2 minus 4 raised to the power of 2 is equals to 0. So we can easily express this right here. Okay, so right here we want to simply apply this property that says a square minus b square, and this is equals to a plus b multiply a minus b. So applying this property, we have this to be, and from here we have that a is equals to x plus 2 all raised to the power of 2, and b is equals to 4. Hence we have this to be x plus 2 all raised to the power of 2 plus 4 multiply x plus 2 all raised to the power of 2 minus 4, and this is equals to 0. And we know that if we have a multiply b is equals to 0, this implies that a is equals to 0 and b is equals to 0. So from here we have this to be x plus 2 all square plus 4 is equals to 0, and we have x plus 2 all square minus 4 is equals to 0. So we are going to solve for this first before solving for the second one, alright? So for the first one, we want to apply this property that says a plus b all square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we want to apply this property to x plus 2 all raised to the power of 2, and from that we have that a is equals to x and b is equals to 2. So applying this property, we have this to be x square plus 2 multiply x multiply 2 plus 2 square plus 4, and this is equals to 0. We have that x squared plus 2 multiply x is 2x. 2x multiplied 2, we have this to be 4x plus 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4 plus 4, and this is equals to 0. We have x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 4 is 8, which is equals to 0. So right here, all we have to do is to simply solve this quadratic equation by making use of the quadratic formula that says x is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, and we have that a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 8. So we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 4 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 8, divide 2 multiply a, which is 1. And we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 4 square is 16 minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 8 is giving us 32, divide 2 multiply 1 is 2. We have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 minus 32 is minus 16, divide 2. So we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 multiply negative 1 over 2. We have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 multiply the square root of negative 1 over 2, but the square root of negative 1 is equals to I. So we have that x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16i over 2. So x is equals to minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 is 4i over 2. So right here, we want to simply get rid of the denominator. So in order for us to be able to get rid of the denominator, we simply need to factor out 2 from the numerator. So factoring out 2, we have that x is equals to 2 into minus 2 plus minus 2i over 2. So this is going to cancel out this. We have that x is equals to minus 2 plus minus 2i. So hence x is equals to minus 2 plus 2i, and x is equals to minus 2 minus 2i. And this becomes the first two values of x. So guys, we have been able to solve for the first part right here. So solving for the second part, we have this to be x plus 2 raised to the power of 2. If we apply a plus b all square, this is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square, where we have a is equals to x and b is equals to 2. So from here, we have this to be x squared plus 2 multiply x multiply 2 plus 2 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 is equals to 0. We have this to be x squared plus 2 multiply 2 4 multiply x is 4x plus 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4 minus 4, which is equals to 0. We have that x squared plus 4x, 4 minus 4 is 0, so this is equals to 0. So from here we want to simply factor out x. Since x is a common term, we have this to be x into x plus 4, and this is equals to 0. So from here we have that x is equals to 0 and x plus 4 is equals to 0. So we have x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 0 minus 4. So we have this to be x equals to 0 and x is equals to minus 4. And this becomes the third and fourth values of x. We have been able to find all the values of x right here. So from here we're going to say hence we have the values of x to be the first value of x, x is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 4, x is equals to minus 2 plus 2i, and x is equals to minus 2 minus 2i. And this becomes the values of x. So guys, we have been able to solve this nice exponent math simplification problem right here that says x plus 2 or raised to the power of 4 is equals to 16. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video, and if you are not yet subscribed to Mathematical Mindset, please do well to click onto that subscribe button.